Okay, so concept 10 says, given polynomials of fourth or fifth degree, find all zeros, real and complex zeros. So, in order to understand concept 10, it's basically the same thing as concept 6, which uses the skills from concepts 3 to 9. So we will be finding all possible real zeros with the p's and q's, using the positive and negative real zeros, using the discarded rule signs, and then this time the only difference is that we're going to be working with complex numbers. So in here we have this equation, and we do the same steps as in concept 6. So we find our p's and our q's, and then we do the p's over the q's, and then we use the discarded rules of signs. So we have this here, and then we find the possible positive zeros and the possible negative zeros. So in this case it's 1 or 3 or 1. And then we use synthetic division by plugging in one of the numbers from here. So I plugged in -1, and then we have this. We still use this as our header and continue going on. And then it's the same thing as in concept 6. When we have a quadratic equation, we will use that quadratic equation and solve it. But since we know that this time we're going to be dealing with complex numbers, it is more likely that we won't be getting equations that will be able to factor. So we will be using the quadratic formula to solve for this. So in this case, I took out a -5, and then we have 5x squared minus 7x plus 5. And then I plugged in these values into the quadratic formula. And then after we solve, we get 7 plus or minus I radical 51 over 10. And then we just write out our zeros. So it's 7 plus I radical 51 over 10, 7 minus I radical 51 over 10, and -1 and -5. So it's basically the same thing as concept 6. You're just putting that all together from the skills from 3 to 9. And that's how you solve concept 10.